guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using my platform called KeithFX. So if you do not know what KeithFX is simply a service that I provide, which is an exchange. So I'm a payment agent of the roof, and I've been helping people deposit and withdraw money from the roof. Not only that, I help people with deposit and withdrawals from a lot of Forex brokers such as Xness, World Trade, and so on. Again, not only that, I also help people with deposits or withdrawing crypto to Quacha and vice versa. I also help with Skrill. I also help with PayPal. I also help with Binance. I help with a lot of online digital currencies and e-wallets. So how do you make money with KeithFX? Well, what you have to do is simply sign up on KeithFX if you don't have an account yet. Okay, so the link is in the description. As for me, I don't have an account, so I'm going to click here to log in. Okay, I've logged in right now. Okay, so once you log in, what you have to do is click on the referral. So on the referral here, all you have to do is simply click on copy, okay, to copy this referral link. Okay, so this is my referral link. So now that I've copied this link, all I have to do is simply share this link with people, and when they sign up, I'll make money. But here's what you should know. Okay, the first thing you should know is that you won't get paid for account creations. Okay, so if someone creates an account using this link, you won't make any money. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is that for you to make money, the people that you refer to, they have to exchange. Okay, so they either have to deposit money into their derivative account, or withdraw, or buy crypto, or sell crypto, or withdraw from PayPal, or deposit into PayPal. They have to perform any of these exchanges. Once they do, you're going to receive a commission from the money that I make. So in short, there is no money being made from nowhere. Money is being made, okay, from the exchanges that I provide. So the exchanges that I provide, I do not provide them for free. So I charge a fee, and from that fee, that is where the money I'm going to earn is going to come from. So now what happens is that simply share this link. When you share this link, people sign up, they perform exchanges, you'll be able to receive the people you're referring, and you'll be able to see how much you've made, and you'll be able to withdraw. Okay, so remember, it's not about quantity, but it's about quality. So what do I mean by this? So you can have 1,000 referrals, okay, and another person can have 10 referrals. So what would happen is that probably the person only having 10 people may be making money as high as $100, but may find that the person who has got 1,000 people may only make like $10. But this doesn't make sense. Like, why is it like this? Well, it's possible that you may have 1,000 people, but as long as they don't do anything, they don't exchange, you won't make any money. So therefore, don't focus on registering as many people as possible. No, focus on quality people. Okay, so don't share the link anyhow. All you have to do is find someone, talk to people, find them who want these services. So don't just share anyhow. Let's find people. So remember, head over to my website, KeithFX, then go through the list. Okay, let me just show you what I'm talking about. So when you go to my website, click on rate. So now on rate here, this is where we're going to see a list of assets that you can exchange at KeithFX. So now here's what you should do. Find people who want to buy or sell Bitcoin. Find people who want to sell or buy USDT. Find people wants to withdraw or deposit to Binance, or find people wants to withdraw from PayPal or deposit. Find people wants to deposit or withdraw from Skill. Find people want to deposit or withdraw from Deriv, from StickPay, and so on. So once you find these people, it will be very much easier for you to actually make money and later sharing the link anyhow. First, find people who are interested in one of these services. By the way, more will be added. So yeah, this is it about this video. Bye for now. This is Keith.